Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to polish the watch crystal, so the acrylic watch crystal on your Timex watch. This is going to work on other watches as well, as long as they have a plastic, so an acrylic watch crystal. And we are going to use Polywatch. So in case you do not use this, I would definitely recommend going online and purchasing it. Link in the description below, because it will work wonders when it comes to the acrylic watch crystals. Now this will not work when it comes to glass, so to watch crystals that are actual glass, that actually needs a lot more work, so more powerful polishing, but for these, this is going to work. So you are going to need the Polywatch, a piece of cloth, where as you can see we polish our watches, and I also have an extra piece of cloth that I use to actually polish just on one side, or if you have a domed watch crystal you will need this in order to polish the edges, so this is very useful as well. So what you want to do is to actually put a little bit of Polywatch onto the crystal, just like that. Then we are going to face the watch downwards, and we are going to rub it against the piece of cloth. So what you want to do is to go up and down, then also go left and right, or you can rotate the watch and keep the same motion. So you can always go up and down, because this will be less tiring to you. And all you need to do from time to time is to change the angle. So you need to do this for a few minutes, depending on how many scratches you have, depending how deep they are. If you have very deep scratches, you'll also need a little bit of sandpaper in order to remove those deep scratches. And we are going to polish it, but as you can see, the small scratches have already disappeared. I'm going to fast forward this part in order to show how it looks in the end. Okay guys, so let's check the final result. So you are going to use a wet wipe in the end in order to clean everything. So all the Polywatch, make sure to take it off the edges. Maybe it also got on the bracelet, so clean everything up. Then you are going to use a clean piece of cloth, so of material, in order to remove everything that is left, including any moisture that might have been left there. And now let's see the end result. So as you can see guys, I would say that 95, maybe even more % of the scratches have been removed. As you can see from all the angles, the watch crystal looks very good, so I'm really satisfied with this. There might be a few small scratches right here on the edges, because that is very hard to remove, but other than that, as you can see, the dial now can be seen completely and the watch really pops. So very satisfied with the result. Once again guys, make sure to use the link in the description below to purchase your Polywatch. It will help you a lot, especially if you collect vintage watches and you like to work on your watches. If you want to see even more videos just like this one, watch tutorials, watch restoration videos, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, let us know in the comments below if this worked for you, how satisfied are you with the results, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.